Hello and welcome to another edition of R&DW Adventures, unboxing edition.
We were very happy to find these at the Disney store just today.
Just today.
We thought we had missed this. We got, 5 of them during like a Thanksgiving era
I think so.
clearance event.
And there was a whole shelf for
Absolutely
today.
loved them. And we had one shelf,
We
picked up a dozen. So today we're opening 6 of these. We'll have more that we open up a little later, probably just after Christmas sometime.
Something like that.
We'll figure it out later. But we are very excited to open these up.
They're very cute.
And
if you missed it before, they have a figure inside.
Yeah,
and
so
it's like a mystery bag.
It's the figurine. In the photo here, they're showing Jiminy Cricket. A poster, a little card. And we have the popcorn itself. So we'll take the popcorn off, which you turn over, which we did not realize in the first video.
No.
And this is your stand.
It's really cute.
So we have, so it's from Oliver and Company, is this one.
And there's a place to put the card on here.
So, and it's a nice little cardboard box too.
It is.
But we've got the Oliver and Company sign, or card, which means that our blind bag is going to be from Oliver and Company.
Oh.
So I'll open up the first one.
I don't remember what Oliver and Company is. But
I wish I could remember his name, but I like him. He's very cute.
He is very cute, and it doesn't, I don't know what his name is.
I'm assuming that's Oliver?
Probably. Now we have to go look up Oliver and Company because I really can't think of what it is.
And this is the thing, is that we don't really know the characters from all of these well enough.
What did we get last time?
Last time we got
the fox.
Robin Hood.
Robin Hood.
Yeah, we got Robin Hood.
Jiminy Cricket.
Jiminy Cricket and Pinocchio.
Okay.
And I think that's it. I thought we got one more.
No, I think we got 2 Jiminy Crickets. We did get one more. Oh, we got 2 foxes, 2 Robin Hoods, and 2 Jiminy Crickets.
Okay.
Okay.
So
let's see what else we get.
We got more. So I already scored these if you want to
okay.
Take one off yourself. So they do come in this shrink wrap, which does have this time a nice little like score down the side.
Oh.
But for the one that I unboxed or unwrapped originally, that did not work. And this is so loud on camera, so
I'm
I think
sorry.
For the next one, we'll probably pre-unbox or pre-unwrap them entirely. All right. So I think the trick is to not look at the card, which I already did.
Oh, me too.
Oh, you've got Atlantis.
Yeah, I don't think we have this one.
No, I know we don't have that one.
These are fun. I really like these. I don't know when they originally came out because we originally missed them because it's like not at the regular Disney store but at the outlet.
We have a black and white Jiminy Cricket.
That is awesome.
That's something I didn't even realize existed, but that's like the extra cool thing.
What's her name?
I don't have a clue. I don't know Atlantis at all.
All right.
Okay, I'm getting really geeked about these.
Me
they
too.
did have some more.
We need a Merlin
there. Oh,
so
I need the Merlin.
No. And then there's a mystery one. Wait, no, because the Jiminy Crickets aren't the same.
No,
there's
we got a black and white Jiminy Cricket.
Right, that's this one.
No.
Yes.
No.
Look. Yeah.
Oh, it is. Okay.
And then the other one we have is this one. I don't know. Should we show them all?
No.
No? Okay.
All right, so let's get into the next one. Oops. Or actually, maybe you should do one by yourself since we only have 3 more left. And I opened the first one.
That's okay. And this one I sort of scored. Sorry. I know this is noisy, but they are so cool. If you can get them out of here.
try to like do it down here so it's out of earshot or microphone shot.
I'm going to try to not look. You see it before I do.
Which I didn't see it all either.
Oh, it's Atlantis again.
Oh well.
Okay.
Not that I'm sad
Do
to
we
get
know how many-
Atlantis, because I
there's
like
7
all of these.
7 figures.
Yeah. I am excited to get all of these, don't get me wrong.
Right.
But I prefer to not have duplicates.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Well, and we could have these ones that are the black and whites. That
Right,
are
but it says there's 7. So we have 6 of them. We just don't know what the mystery one is. We have all of...
mystery,
Merlin.
No,
Wait,
no.
I'm
The
confused.
mystery one was the Pinocchio, because Pinocchio's not on that box.
Oh.
So we have the mystery one. The one that we need is Merlin.
Okay.
And then we've completed the set, but we still have these gray ones
They're
apparently,
still
the black and
cool.
whites.
Right.
All right, so next one.
I'll put this right. Are you looking at the card?
I'm going to try to skip looking at the card.
I'm going to not put the card out so I don't see it.
And another Robin Hood.
And another him. I mean, he's
Oliver.
cute. Oliver.
Actually, we should probably shift them that way so that they can see them better on camera. So that's our take for this batch. We still have another 6. We'll probably go and get another 6, maybe even a dozen.
Maybe we need
as
2
the
full
wrappers
sets.
fall down behind me.
These are a lot of fun, though.
They are
Noisy,
so much
but
fun.
They're so cute.
I really enjoy opening these and sharing them on camera. And to be honest, if it weren't for the camera, I'm not sure we would enjoy these nearly as much.
Probably not, but they are a lot of fun.
But yeah, I really
Almost
like...
as much fun as pins.
Not
Don't
quite.
make-
I really like the Robin Hood.
I do.
Because he was one of my favorites as I was growing up.
Well, I think since it's a rainy
Pinocchio
day today,
is
we
so
have to
cute.
watch Find Oliver and Company.
Nah,
I don't
think
know
we
it
did.
at all.
It's
We can look at it.
it's Oliver Twist done with dogs.
And cats.
Yeah.
And-
but yeah, for the Pinocchio, I really like this grayscale.
Yeah, I really
black
do.
and white. This
That's
is really
cool.
Oliver is cool. I like his expression. He does have a very cool expression.
He's very cute.
And then Atlantis, you know, I like the character, but I don't even know who she is.
Never saw the movie. Not this movie anyway.
The Atlantis movie.
The Lost Empire. Maybe
So,
we'll have to look that up.
With any luck, they'll have more of these, more characters, not more of these.
Right.
So, you
Hopefully more characters.
We'll probably go get more anyway. We
Just 'cause.
only need Merlin, and then we're done. All right, actually, I don't think that's Merlin. I think that's Yensid. Isn't it?
Well, I think it's Merlin.
It might be Merlin.
I could be wrong. It should say on here. That's the only bad thing about it. It should say
Well,
on here.
I think they kind of expect you to know the characters. You know, we're not very good Disney fans because we don't know a lot
feel
of these
bad.
characters. And you know, we watch some of these videos where they know every one of the characters. It's
Yeah.
insane.
I know many of the characters.
I don't.
You
I know a lot, but I
You
don't
probably
know a lot.
know more of the movies than I do, but I know
Well,
a
and
lot of the characters.
When it comes to like the shows, I don't know half the people from the shows. And
What shows?
the DuckTales shows, the DuckTales series on XD,
Mm-hmm.
the ones that we had the geocaching tags for, has been discontinued. So they did 3 seasons of DuckTales, and it's gone again.
Okay.
And we did try to watch
Now I got
that
that
when we
song
were
in my
at
head.
Disney.
DuckTales.
When we were at Disney World, we had it
I
on
have it
TV,
in
so
my
we watched
head.
it. Because we hadn't watched it before that. The new
Oh.
series. All right.
Right, you're right.
But that's going to do it for this one. Make sure to stay subscribed, because we are going to do another set of 6. And if you like this unboxing, we do have a playlist over here of some of our other unboxing videos.